Well, breaking news coming in. BJP top leaders meeting at Prime Minister's residence at 7 RCR ahead of the Parliament monsoon session, which begins in fact this Tuesday. BJP Chief Amit Shah is also attending the meeting to strategize ahead of the Parliament session. Senior Ministers Rajnath Singh, Venkaiah Naidu, Sushma Swaraj, Manohar Parrikar, Arun Jaitley are all together brainstorming the party's strategy. My colleague Kamal Sandhu is now joining me live from outside 7 RCR for more on this story. Kamal, the meeting is still going on. It's been over an hour, I believe.
Well, yes, Ankit, we spoke an hour ago and it was still on and it's still very much on. The government definitely in a huddle, and remember, there have been many controversies which have been brewing in the past which are troubling the BJP. Now the BJP has chalked out a counter-offensive, and obviously that is not to go on a defensive but to go on offensive. The other part is throughout the meeting we've seen whether it's Amit Shah who's been meeting Sushma Swaraj, we've seen him meeting the Rajasthan Chief Minister and later Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister. So what is going to be happening is that they're going to let these individuals talk about their own role, defend themselves, and the party is going to back them.
Yes.
They're obviously not going to keep lying low. They're obviously going to support their own ministers. The other part is about how the Congress party and the other parties at this point of time are concentrating and obviously blaming. Now obviously there are war of words, and this is not just about the image war. The Congress and the other parties are trying to hurt where Modi hurts the most, which is the image of the Modi government, which is they're very sticky about their image. It's also about how they've been posturing.
Okay.
Now we've seen recent controversies, not just related to them, but also over ceasefire violation, the talks with Pakistan, the sort of posturing BJP had earlier during the UPA's regime. So all this is going to come back and haunt the BJP, and obviously we're going to hear, we're going to see a lot of storm brewing in the Parliament.
Yeah, Kamal, stay on with me. We're just slipping into a breaking news and coming back to you for more on this. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, who is in Delhi, is meeting the top brass of the BJP. The Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister's visit to Delhi comes on a day the BJP is readying its strategy for the upcoming monsoon session of the Parliament. Amit Shah is likely to seek clarification on the Vyapam scam from Shivraj Singh Chauhan and is expected to firm up the defence for the opposition onslaught which is expected on the Vyapam scam in the upcoming Parliament session. The BJP president had met senior MP BJP leader Kailash Vijayvargiya, who presented the MP government stand on the Vyapam scam. Kamal, Shivraj Singh Chauhan is already in Delhi. He was initially expected to meet Party President Amit Shah at 4 p.m. Are we expecting him to now reach 7 RCR and meet the entire top leadership?
Well, our sources are obviously giving a conflicting report. It is likely that he may meet within 7 RCR or as scheduled at Amit Shah residence. Now the entire meeting was delayed because his flight got delayed. Otherwise the meeting stands as it is, and obviously they're talking one-on-one, and what they're preparing is a fact sheet, documentation, and that's how they're going to fight the Congress's charges as well as other political parties who have been actually making accusation and charges at BJP. So obviously they're speaking and getting minute details. These people have gone ahead and defended themselves earlier, but this is Parliament session. This is obviously a war of words. This is also about image. So this is something that BJP has taken very seriously, and that is why Shivraj Chauhan has come. He says we've handed over the case to the CBI. There have been mysterious deaths, there have been questionings, but obviously a lot has to be answered now, and now the fight has moved to the centre. Is the BJP which has to fight all over again in the Parliament.
All right, thank you so much, Kamal, for bringing us all those details. Well, Union Labour Minister Bandaru Dattatreya spoke to India Today on BJP's strategy before the upcoming monsoon session in the Parliament. Kamal Sandhu, my colleague, exclusively spoke to BJP stalwart.
सर लेबर लॉ बिल्स आ रहे हैं, पर आप ये बताइए सर, टफ पार्लियामेंट सेशन व्यापम के ललित मोदी के, तो जाहिर सी बात है बवाल होना तय है. आप लोग किस तरह से प्रिपेयर्ड हैं पार्लियामेंट सेशन को लेके?
पार्लियामेंट सेशन जो है अच्छा चलेगा. सरकार जो है बहुत विश्वास के साथ है. सरकार जनता के बीच में है, जनता सरकार के बीच में है, तो इसलिए किसी चीज़ को हम जो पीछे वाले नहीं है. जो चर्चा होगा उसके ऊपर बराबर सरकार समाधान देगा.
कांग्रेस और ऑपोजिशन पार्टी सीरियस चार्जेस लगा रही है, किस तरह से आप ये चार्जेस उठाएंगे?
नहीं, वो चार्जेस जो है वो कान तक सही है, कान तक नहीं है, जनता जानती है. लेकिन जहाँ तक जो विषय है, पार्लियामेंट में डिबेट होना चाहिए, पार्लियामेंट में डायलॉग होना चाहिए, अपनी बात जो है जोर से रखना चाहिए और हम भी जोर से उनको जवाब देने का हम भी कोशिश करेंगे।
स्मूथ रनिंग ऑफ पार्लियामेंट के लिए क्या करेंगे? जाहिर सी बात है, जिस तरह से बवाल होना तय है, यानी पार्लियामेंट सेशन में भी वॉश आउट होगा।
उनका दोनों का जो है, अपोजिशन का और सरकार का दोनों का जो है एक ही ये नहीं रहना चाहिए। दोनों भी जो है मिलकर जाने के लिए प्रयास करेंगे, लेकिन वो लोग केवल नेगेटिव अगर जाने से उसका फायदा नहीं रहेगा।
ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग पे क्या होगा सर आज?
वो पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर बोलेंगे।